Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Kim from Kim's Side Money Plans here for the RideShare Guy. Uber Eats just did a press release on changes coming to Shop and Pays for the Uber Eats app, and I am going to share the 3 updates with you today. And, I was excited to learn that there's actually over 200,000 users that do Shop and Pays regularly, and they were listening to feedback, and a lot of these changes are made because of the feedback they were getting on Shop and Pays. So the first one we're going to actually talk about today are out of stock items. They are trying to make the process easier. If you hit that the item is out of stock, Uber Eats now puts up a whole bunch of substitution suggestions. So the only thing you have to do is find the item and scan the barcode, and it gets sent to the customer for review, making it a more seamless process, and you move on to the next item. Okay, second thing that they are updating is they are making payments digital, which I am actually excited about. They are taking the card and you can now put it on either your Apple Pay or even your Google Pay, whether you have Android or you have iOS. And whenever you go to check out now, you can actually just take your phone in your Apple Pay or Google Pay, tap your phone, and you are out the door. You don't have to worry anymore about forgetting your card at home or in the car. You have it right at your fingertips. So that is the second change that is coming. Third one is order clarity, which now they are actually going to give you the number of unique items. And the example that they said is drivers want to know if they are picking up 1 gallon of milk or 5 gallons of milk. You want to know as a driver if the items are actually going to fit in your car. They're also going to tell you on the offer screen if it is large, heavy, or fragile, so you can make the best decisions as a driver. And those are your 3 updates that Uber Eats is bringing to the Uber Eats app for Shop and Pay order. Here is my opinion on these 3 updates. I'm already starting to see the update as far as substitution. It is so much more easier, in my opinion, from what it was used to. I used to dread substitutions with Uber Eats orders. Now, you just looked at the substitutions, you scanned the item, you sent it to review. The key, though, is for the customer to actually respond to the review, but that can be another story for another day. But overall, I think this was definitely a change that needed to be made. I love the digital wallet. I use Apple Pay all the time, and to have the card loaded into my phone so I don't have to take out a credit card every time I want to do a Shop and Pay, to me is a huge win for doing Shop and Pay orders. And then lastly, the offer screen. I love when I have more information to make a decision whether I'm taking an order or not taking an order. I think knowing more information on the items that you're shopping for. Also, for me, I am like 5'0", so knowing if there's cases of orders and if it's heavy, whether I can physically do it, if it's going to fit in my car. I think the more knowledge, the better, and it's going to be easier for me to make a decision whether to take the order or not take the order. So definitely like the improvements on this as well. Let me know in the comments, do you like these updates? What do you think about them? And guys, thank you so much for being here today. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, make sure that that bell is turned on so you know when the latest videos come out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.